Hi, welcome back to another monthly roundup from Binks Balustrades. I'm just going to quickly run through here the projects that we've got completed this month. First off, we've got a job over in Shibden. This customer's had a summer house built on top of the valley, and this is Halifax's version of the Grand Designs. We've installed some balustrade around the outside of the decking area so you can sit out and look over the views. I'm sure you'll agree with me, these views are absolutely breathtaking over the top of the valley of Halifax. Next up, we've got the job over in Barnsley. This customer has had a complete renovation done of their garden, so everything is absolutely brand new, and the balustrade is really modern and ties in really nice. And lastly, we've got a job over in Gilderson. This couple's had some composite decking built at the back of their house so they can sit out, enjoy the garden, a nice cup of tea in the sun, and it's got some nice safety from the balustrade. Thanks for watching another video from Binks Balustrades. If you require any information on the balustrades that you've seen in this video, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. The contact details will be at the end. Thanks for watching.